Bryant in the first alert forecast, tracking not one but two blasts of cold air. And this is just one piece of the puzzle that's going to increase that chance of a few snow showers, turning less impactful of a day Thursday. It doesn't look like we're going to have to do a first alert weather day. It looks like your commutes will be okay, but still that chance of some wintry weather in the forecast. And if not then, this weekend, if not this weekend, a couple of opportunities next week. A lot to talk about, though. Right now we're dry on first alert radar. Temperatures already on the cold side, and we're going to drop another few degrees overnight tonight. Waking up to 32 in Stevensville, 26 though, College Park, mid-20s in Frederick, 30 Westminster, upper 20s in Bel Air, also getting back to BWI down in northern Anne Arundel County, 32 in Lexington Park. Now, I want to let you know, if you're on the Eastern Shore neighborhood forecast, this is one area where temperatures will range quite a bit. Not everyone is going to wake up to that 28-30 degree range. Notice Tillman Island 34, getting up to Stevensville 32, but you get to the cold spot, Caroline County, there are probably some neighborhoods here that are 25, 26 degrees in the morning. So if you're near the Delaware state line, hard freeze, closer to the water, just right around the freezing mark. Still worthy of that winter coat, though, for the students. In the bus stop forecast, trying to get to the freezing mark during the 8 o'clock hour. Certainly we're past it by 9 a.m. Temperatures in the lower 40s, 11 a.m. Clouds rolling back in tomorrow afternoon won't stop us from warming to the upper 40s and lower 50s. No rain from those clouds either. On your corner to Annapolis, neighborhood forecast tomorrow. Again, a cold start, but not as cold as neighbors to the north and west and over on the inland portion of the Eastern Shore. But even in Anne Arundel County, temperatures in the upper 40s by 3 p.m. Clouds rolling in right around sunset. With a little luck, we will have yet another nice sunset, just like we did today, with those clouds rolling back in. They'll arrive in the mountains first with highs in the 40s, 50s western Maryland, southern Maryland, Eastern Shore beaches just shy of 50 degrees for the most part. Though Ocean City could hit 50, 51 in Easton, 50 Baltimore, 54 in Frederick, 49 Stevensville, 50 in Bel Air. This is actually a few degrees warmer than it was today, and it was pleasant. One change tomorrow, in addition to those clouds rolling in later, it will be breezier, so keep that in mind. May feel a little chillier. And then Wednesday into Thursday, storm system moves in. We're actually going to start our forecast model at 2 p.m. There will be some rain showers around Wednesday, especially northwest metro, getting back into Washington and Allegheny counties. And then as this front moves in, rain expands I-95 over to the Eastern Shore. That's really after sunset when it starts to ramp up. And as cold air moves in, some of this light rain, as you see here around 11 p.m., midnight, 1 a.m., could switch over to light snow right as it moves out. So it's all about timing here. This setup isn't one that historically, produces a lot of snow. The rain tends to move out before it gets cold enough for it to switch to snow. But I think some flakes flying around early early Thursday morning rather. And then 34 Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Next system approaches. Scattered rain and snow showers around during the day Saturday. You'll notice it looks fairly light, though. Not much accumulation in the forecast now, but that system brings in some real cold air, struggling to get out of the 20s on Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Alex.
Cutter, thank you. Coming